All right, guys. Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. This is a new one for me. A Buick Encore. Never in my life have I set foot in one of these. 116,000 miles. Ooh, fancy. 116,000 miles. Looks like she's a 2015. It looks kind of like a base model. Kind of got this cloth vinyl thing going on. I see the heated seats are not there. Do have a nice backup camera, and she runs really good. Had a power. It's got a power driver's seat, so it's weird. I feel like I'm sitting down in a bathtub. This is up high, but it's not a very big car. These little Buick Encores are kind of small. But let's give one a little dance here. I think these have little 1.4 turbos. Same thing they put in the Cruise. I know in the Cruise they're a piece of garbage engine. But I don't know about. I assume there's still a piece of crap in the Buicks, but I don't know. It sounds good. I mean, it sounds, like a good running car. I mean, that dash is a mile away. I mean, I couldn't reach that windshield. Lord help, that thing's way up there. I guess it's made that way to give give people that want an SUV, the feeling they're in something really big. I can tell you one thing by looking at the back seat, there is zero leg room back there. Ooh, we got a popping front axle. Ooh, definitely gotta have well, she'll get something goes okay. Not the fastest thing in the world, but not the slowest. Got this kind of dark wood grain. Can y'all see that? Kind of a charcoal colored wood grain. I do like the dark interior. Man, it just wants to spin the tires. Where's that traction control? It's not even trying to interfere. Interesting. I'm not too impressed. Sorry. I know they sell a shitload of these, but I'm not too impressed. Man, I don't have any leg room. Oh my God. It's got a front end that is just about to fall out from under it. Ooh, man, that was loud and awful sounding. I'm over here by this Nissan Rogue. Buick Enclave, oh boy, that's one to stay away from. You're talking about troubles. You got time and chain issues, wave plate issues in the transmission. I mean, oh, the list goes on. If you know anything about these little Buick Encores, throw it down there in the comments. I don't know much about them. Are they decent cars? I just figured with that 1.4 turbo, they wouldn't be that great. I do like the headlights. Those are cool, the little blue circles. Buick Encore. Just okay. not quite my style. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace out.